Spinning into the infinite, unveiling the enigma of Euler's disk. Introduction to Euler's disk. Euler's disk is a fascinating spinning disk that allows us to delve into the intricate world of physics. In this presentation, we will uncover the principles and mysteries behind Euler's disk. History of Euler's disk. Euler's disk is named after the Swiss mathematician Leonhard Euler, who made significant contributions to physics and mathematics in the 18th century. The disk has its roots in Euler's studies on rotational dynamics and angular momentum. Euler's disk components. The disk typically consists of a heavy metal base and a circular metal disk. Friction between the disk and the base is a crucial component, influencing its unique behavior. Physics behind Euler's disk. Angular momentum plays a key role in the prolonged spinning of Euler's disk. Friction converts the disk's rotational energy into vibrational energy, leading to the intriguing precession motion.
And it spins.
Watch as Euler's disk defies expectations, showcasing the delicate balance between angular momentum and friction. This short demonstration provides a visual insight into the physics governing the disk's motion. Applications in engineering. Engineers draw inspiration from Euler's disk when designing gyroscopes, essential for navigation and stabilization in various systems. Understanding the physics of rotational dynamics is crucial in developing precise engineering solutions. Challenges and variations. Despite its mesmerizing properties, Euler's disk faces challenges such as energy loss due to friction. Enthusiasts have developed variations, experimenting with different materials and designs to explore new facets of physics. Conclusion. Euler's disk offers a captivating glimpse into the complex interplay of physics principles. We encourage you to explore and experiment, perhaps even creating your own Euler's disk at home. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of Euler's disk. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you enjoyed this presentation.